So it has come to my realization that I left out row 2 of this skirt while I was editing the tutorial, so I'll just leave the row 2 here. You can watch it if you're recreating this skirt. If you want to recreate this skirt, I will leave the link in the description box. So I went all around, and without counting this chain, I have 18 double crochets, and I want to work my last one in this one, so I will have 19 double crochets. So this chain makes it 20. So if you started with 20 chains, you should have 20 double crochets including this. So the number of your double crochets should be an even number, counting also this chain. So I will just go ahead to close it off, go on top of this chain 2 and slip stitch on top of that chain 2. So now we have our circle, and this will be this. For me, I had 30 inches. This is just a sample. So for the next row, you're going to chain 2, or the next round, and we're going to be doing front post and double crochet. So yarn over, and under this first double crochet is where we are going to make a front post stitch. So you go in like this under it, and you pull up a loop, then pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2. That's a front post. And then next is a normal double crochet, so you just go in on top of this second double crochet and make a double crochet. Next is a front post in this 3rd stitch, so I go under it like this and make a front post. Next is a normal double crochet. Next is a front post, so it is in this stitch here. I go under that double crochet stitch and make a front post. So you're just going to repeat front post double crochet and normal double crochet like that all the way to the end. Okay, all the way to the end.